Dude, I swear.
Where you at, you cheeky bastard?
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today it is time to go ahead and do the line lock tutorial for my 2019 Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack 2. Now I've had this car for about 2 months now and I've tested out the line lock just a little bit, but today it is time to go in full depth and detail on how to do it on a Ford Mustang. This is a 2019 and it is in the manual, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Quick reminder before we get too far into this video, if you haven't already, make sure to go hit the subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any content we have on the channel. Along with hitting the thumbs up button, that helps a lot more people find this video. So with that being said, let's get on to the tutorial. Okay, so we are in the home menu for the electronic digital dash. We're gonna go ahead and hit the little horse button on the steering wheel right here on the right. That will bring us to this menu right here. And we're gonna scroll down to track apps. We're gonna hit OK. That's gonna bring us to all the track apps on the Mustang. And we're gonna go to line lock, since that's what we're working with today. That's gonna go ahead and put us into track mode. We're gonna wanna go ahead and make sure traction control is turned off all the way. Go ahead and hold this down about 8 to 10 seconds and that will take traction control completely off. There it is right there. So advanced track off, launch control not available. At that point, you're gonna hold OK to initialize line lock. So hold it down for a few seconds and you're gonna see this little wheel pop up. So at this point, you're gonna go ahead and press the brake down firmly enough where it fills up this entire little wheel. So I'm pressing harder, 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 all the way down the floor. So you're gonna stay on the brake. You're gonna hit press OK to begin and you'll feel ABS kind of kick you off the brake and then you're gonna let off. So OK to begin, hear that noise and you have a counter. So I'm gonna go put it in first gear. I'm gonna rev it up a little bit. And I'm not on the brake one bit. You can see the little tire smoke. You can hit OK to cancel and it lets off the front brake, which is kind of cool. You can see all the smoke. So that was just first gear. That was a little test run. Now we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go let Jeremy hop out outside the car. We're gonna do a nice little burnout. Unfortunately, I didn't have my drift spares to put on the back, so these are kind of expensive tires. We're gonna do this one time, Jeremy. Don't mess up the shots. We're gonna get it going, and it's gonna be sick. That looks sick? Dude, so much. Look at that. Oh my, dude, we need to get out of here. Look at this cloud. That was the biggest burnout of my entire career.
Smoke still.
Oh, we got plenty. Ooh, those are grippy boys. Hopefully you guys like that burnout. Now we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try to beat my 0 to 60 time. That's another track app on the GT. We're gonna go into track apps. We're gonna go to lap timer. Nope, we're gonna go track apps. We're gonna go acceleration timer, 0 to 60. And we're gonna go ahead, see if we can beat our 0 to 60 time. Let's go ahead, put it in first gear. We're in track mode, OK to start. Give her a go, OK to start. Best time is 4.91, so that was our best time. We were spinning it quite a lot, so let me try one more time. I don't want to get too aggressive with the clutch, but all right, we're gonna try one more time. OK to start. There it is, come on. Come on, baby. 4.84. All right, that's our best time as of now, which isn't too bad. It's a nice day, the tires are warm from the line lock. Man, I absolutely love this thing. There's some tread missing. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up the tutorial on the line lock for my 2019 Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack 2. Had an absolute blast with this car the last 2 months. I've made a handful of videos. I'll link the playlist right here if you want to go check them out. I got a lot more videos planned, so make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the car. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and the Burnout. It helps a lot more people find the video and the channel. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.